Hello everyone, this is the Chinanja Sewing Space, and okay, let's get into things, right? I've been away for a long time and no excuses there. Life has been happening, like I keep on saying. But today I'm here to talk about my sewing challenge that I did, which ended in June. And I extended a bit till July, but I have my makes here and let's get into it. Okay, now just in case you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, my sewing challenge, I will have a link in the video and below in the description box. So this, I'll have closer, better pictures for you guys. This is the first dress I made, and this is my first ready to wear dress that I remade. And like I can tell you guys from the video, I remade it in this fabric. I want to call it gauze fabric because that's how it feels. It feels very gauzy. So I'm happy that I captured the main details or style elements of the other dress. I kept pretty much true to the ready-to-wear inspiration. There's the zips and this flap over here, and because this fabric was so see-through, I had to line it. And I've been loving the wide hems, so I did that to it, even though the hem on the ready-to-wear one is not as wide. And I've already worn this in real life. I have a blog post. I wore it for MEMADEMAY and I talked all about it, so I'll link all those in the description box as well. Then the second ready-to-wear dress that I made was this number. And I know a lot of you guys don't know me in real life, but if you do, you know that I've worn this dress to death. Like grandmas know me and know this dress. But I just love it. It doesn't require ironing. It's easy to wear. It fits everywhere that it's supposed to. And for my remake, I made it in this fabric, and I've also worn this in real life as well. This fabric is a bit heavier than this. This feels like a lycra kind of material, but this is stretchy, but I would say medium weight. But it didn't stop me, and I would have as well used, because I don't know if you can see in this one, the facing for the arms are self-lined, but I wanted a contrast to the fabric, so I used the black to do the reverse side of the arms, and there's that detail here. And I pretty much kept the size, and I do love this dress. Like I said, I've worn it in real life as well. And that is it for the dresses. Now, there's 2 tops and 2 trousers left, but I haven't told you guys the bad news is that I haven't finished the make. So the next trouser is this free number here. It's just a culotte, like with the elasticated waist and drawstring. I didn't see the need for a drawstring, so I just made trousers, culottes with, and I played with the stripe direction And I don't know if you guys can see, this one is that way, that one is that way. And it's an elasticated waistband, and I didn't see any need for the belt or the tie, so I didn't do that. But this has lining on the inside, so very happy with this. I have worn this as well. Everyone loves it. And yeah, so now the thing that we're getting to, the part where things started getting kind of dicey. Not that, I mean, this like was my first solo attempt at a button-down shirt, and one of the reasons I got Benny is my brother's sewing machine, the new one, is so that I could do buttonholes correctly, right? So I thought, yeah, I'm going to be a buttonhole superstar. Turns out I don't like making buttonholes, especially when there are a lot. But it's nice to have a machine that can at least make nice buttonholes, right? So this is the shirt, the ready-to-wear shirt. It's got normal turn-up cuffs, and it's got a placket in front with it's called Mandarin colors. Yeah. So enters my version. I was originally going to make it in just the fabric, because I wanted plain colored tops, and I put a link to my MEMADEMAY review so that you know why I picked some of the fabrics I picked out, why I did some things. I wanted plain colored tops because I realized I don't have a lot. I have a lot of pattern and, you know, fun, flashy kind of stuff. So I wanted something plain, but I ran out of this fabric, and I got this fabric such a long time ago. I don't remember where I got it from or if they will even have it. So I just had to make do, and I mixed it in with the black. This I also wore for MEMADEMAY. It's on the blog, and yeah, I like it. It's just a two-tone shirt. I really liked the tortoise shell buttons I picked out. I think they really go with the cream top, and it's got the turn up and the cuffs and the placket in front. So all in all, a win. Right. Now for the things that are not finished. And that's the reason why I won't be having like a lookbook after this particular video. I will film the lookbook separately after I have completed the 2 remaining makes. Now, the next ready-to-wear item I was going to make was another shirt. And we have all established right now where I said I don't like shirts. And this one had buttons to the bottom, the same flap, turn-up cuffs, and pockets. So I got this lightweight. I'm thinking it's a chiffon fabric, you know. I'm thinking it's chiffon. So here it is. This is where I've gotten to. Let me unpin. These are parts of the cup of the sleeve that I've still not finished. But yeah, I decided that I didn't want the whole turn-up cuff business on this one. So I was going for an elasticated sleeve, right? So that's about where I am. That, and but I did do the collar and the yoke at the back. That and the buttons and hemming. I mean, I'm saying it that way, but you and I both know that that's going to take a while. So I will try my best to do that and have a lookbook up for you guys. Okay, then the next make, which I thought was going to be straightforward because I finally I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, you see that I have been I've been making a twirl for fitted pants for myself, right? So I finally had it made and I was so eager to jump into making these pants, right? They're just, I don't know if I'm going to add these buttons because the fabric I chose is so busy. See, I don't know if it's gonna make any sense adding the buttons, but anyways, these are the pants, and so far everything is okay except the waistband. I still need to take it in and sew it up and whatnot. Then there's some fitting issues on the leg of the trouser, which I will address. But yeah, I've installed the zip, and this is just gonna be two or four buttons. Maybe I'll make it four. Sorry. Maybe I'll make it 4 buttons so that I don't have to put the other ones here, and they'll be black. I still haven't picked out the buttons yet, but yeah. So, my lovely people, that is my ready to wear challenge finished. Sorry, that is my Remake Your Ready to Wear challenge finished, and I hope this video inspires you guys to tackle your own ready to wear projects and remake them. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in another video. Please do subscribe and like this video and leave your comments on the mix you liked the most, okay, so that we can continue the conversation. The conversation doesn't have to end here. Right, on to, I do have a tutorial for an A-line dress coming up, right? I filmed the first part, which I should edit as I'm editing this, and I'll upload it. But yeah, thank you guys for staying true to the end.